Today we will see how to create this type of Apple text animation. Let's go to the video. First, we will take a project. Then, right-click and create a sequence. From here, select Custom, set 30 FPS, 1920, and 180. Then click OK. Now we will take a background here. Right-click area, New Item, Color Matte. Choose a color of your choice. I chose orange color here. Now, bring up a timeline. Make it a little bigger. Then we will write a sentence. From Properties, align the text to the middle. If you want, you can change the font. Now take the transform effect from Effect. Apply it on the text. Then go to Effect Controls. From Transform, give a keyframe to Position. Go a little forward, give another keyframe. Now, lower it down from the Y position. Lower it down as much as you need from where you want to lift the text. Now, in the same way, give a keyframe to the opacity at the beginning. Going a little further, give another keyframe. Set the opacity to 0 in the first one, and keep it at 100 in the next one. Now, make as many copies of this text layer as there are words in your sentence. Then, move each layer back 10 frames. Since I have 3 words here, I took 3 layers. Now, we will crop them. Using the crop effect, crop all the layers in the same way. If you want, you can speed up the animation by keyframes from here. Adjust the speed according to your needs. Very easy. Thank you. See you again in the next video.